So hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook, and today's recipe is the Fuljar soda. It is a recipe of Kerala and it is very trendy nowadays. So let's start with the video. First we'll make the green chutney, then we will add the soda and mix up the flavors and make the awesome soda, which is the Fuljar soda. Now let's start with the recipe. First we'll make green chutney, which includes 200 grams of mint, fresh mint. Next is the 200 grams of fresh coriander, the same amount. Next we'll add the 1 to 2 inches of ginger and 3 green chilies. You can add more if you want more spicy. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next is black salt or kala namak, which is 1 teaspoon, and the salt as paste. After adding this, add the water and go fine. Here is the paste done. Now we will add it to a shot glass. Next we will add the sabja seeds into the glass. So I am adding the soaked sabja seeds, and here is the clubs. We will just open up the bowl and add it to the glass, in which the sabja is 3/4. After adding the soda, drop the shot glass into the glass, and here is the Fuljar soda mixed nicely and it is ready to be drink. Here is the Fuljar soda. I would not drink it, I am just shooting it. Please do try it in your home. It's awesome as well as spicy, as we added the green chilies. It is very awesome. If you like the recipe and the Fuljar soda, then give the video a like. Please share the video with your friend and family. Also subscribe to my channel and the bell icon beside it so that you get notified as soon as my new video. So thanks for watching. Goodbye, and also follow my Instagram page and the Facebook page to see other updates which I would give every day.